Hello everyone, welcome to Nidarshana Saris. This is Lakshmi here. Today I'll be showcasing you the glimpse of new arrivals. What are the new arrivals in Nidarshana Sari for the upcoming Varma Lakshmi festival? We have in budget and also in soft silk. We have curated 3 to 4 designs in soft silk saris, and this is one of your budget sari. It's a beautiful design. So nowadays Georgette by silk is trending in Nidarshana Saris. We have curated lot of designs in budget saris. That's one of the batik style concept, and that's how the sari looks. It's a beautiful sari. Again, a dual dye concept on the sari with a beautiful batik print. This is one of the beautiful design I curated for this Varma Lakshmi in a budget section. When coming to soft silk category, again there are two categories. One is soft silk and one is semi silk. Again, in semi silk also we have curated lot of designs, and that's one of the soft silk sari what I gonna showcase. The price range will be starts from 1,800 and it goes up to 2,500 range. We have lot of color combinations available in the soft silk. It is a look-alike of pure soft silk sari. It's a replica version. Again, the price range, it goes up to 2,500. This is orange with the pink. So like this, we have lot of color combinations available. You can see here we have mehndi green, dark green, purple, yellow, red, rama green. The color palettes are really awesome. One more category in soft silk. These are upcoming designs in Nidarshana saris. These are new arrivals in Nidarshana saris, especially soft silk category. It's one more design. It's a beautiful soft silk. That's how the sari looks. It's a beautiful dual color, peacock green with the blue. Again, a contrast combination. Again, we have lot of color combinations available in this soft silk sari. One more design in soft silk sari. It's a figure sari. Again, a dual concept. The complete sari will be like this. We have lot of color combinations available. The complete sari will be like this, and the upper side there is a sleek border concept. One more pattern in soft silk sari. Again, a washed zari concept, like water zari kind of concept on the sari. And that's the beautiful water zari concept on the sari. You can see copper as well as silver zari. Again, a beautiful smudging kind of thread weaving concept on the entire sari. Again, this design also we have lot of color combinations available. Now I'll be showcasing you in semi silk category. You can see here again lot of designs available in semi silk, and the price range will be like 900, 950, 1050. In this range all the saris are available. That's the complete look. Again, different color combinations we have curated for this Varma Lakshmi, and that's the beautiful sari in a budget range. It will come within 1,000 range. Again, many of the collections are dumped here in the back side. Meantime, the dispatch work is also going on. I don't want to disturb them. You can see your parcels are getting ready. In recent days, whatever we are posting in the budget, everything is getting sold out within an hour. It's not taking even a week also. Within an hour, all the saris are getting sold out. We are trying our level best to refill all the saris. So we have restock few of the designs. You can kindly check with my team. They'll tell you whether the sari is in pre-booking or not. So anyways, we are trying to refill all the collection, whatever is getting sold out in the recent days. So now you can see all the saris are getting packed here and ready for the dispatch. Akin saris making your parcels ready for the scanning. Okay, it's almost 300 to 350 parcels are getting dispatched for today. One more beautiful new arrival in Dola sari. As you know, Nidarshana always gives with double polishing and tassels. So whatever the Dola sari is, it is. Okay, so that we always make sure. And this is one of the beautiful design in Dola, and that's how the sari looks. It has a beautiful pencil kind of printed concept, and that's the contrast, big printed booties concept on the entire sari, and that's the zari border as well. And that's one more design we're gonna introduce by upcoming weeks. We have a lot of designs available in this Dola as well. We have one more semi silk category. You can see how beautiful the sari is with the silver zari. So there are a lot of copper zari and gold zari we have introduced. So this time we have come up with beautiful silver zari concept, and that's how the complete sari looks. It's a beautiful sari. Again, we have lot of color combinations available. Minimum 10 sets to 20 sets ready for the booking for the upcoming Varma Lakshmi. Again, for every week we will be introducing new designs. So don't worry, if in case stock out, we will be coming up with the new designs for all the time. And that's how the complete sari looks. You can see how beautiful this mehndi green with the purple looks. Beautiful sari. Our recent days hit Yesterday only we have released the video, and so completely sold out it is. Again, we have refilled in the pre-booking, like 10 to 15 days may it will be restocked. So whoever is booking, like 1 hour may it's got sold out. So after that, whoever is booking, it is going to a pre-booking order. So it's a wonderful sari. Yesterday only we have released it. You can see here almost all the saris are getting packed, and it is getting no for the scanning now. So all my fellow employees are working here. They are working really hard to pack your parcels. You can see here actually they are working. It's tirelessly they are working till 9 o'clock. So again, for these all getting dispatched today, again they'll be getting the sari ready for the tomorrow dispatch. Once the dispatch is over, again they'll pack, and they'll keep the sari for tomorrow dispatch. The routine work day by day we are following. So minimum 300, 350, like maximum 400 parcels we can able to dispatch per day. Again, we are working on that to make sure that 300, 400 will be like 1,000 parcels per day. We are working on that. Yeah, that's all. So these are the new arrivals. I just want to show you for the upcoming Varma Lakshmi what are coming karke. Stay tuned with us. We'll be releasing all the videos in the upcoming week. This is Lakshmi signing off. Bye. Take care.